We have a clogged kitchen sink. We were here 3 years back, and this line gave us a lot of trouble. So we came back, took the trap apart, snaked it twice, even with water, and this line was just 2-pack of grease. So we had to come down, cut the 1.5" copper to install a cleanout and run water, and we have closer access to the cast iron that goes under the slab. You can see all that grease that's packed in there. So I've been an apprentice for 2 years now, going on to 3. And this is actually a company owned by my dad, so I've been actually working with him for 7 years, and we get a lot of calls like this, pack of grease all the time. And sometimes lines with this much grease, the best approach is to install a clean out so you can run water and run the snake at the same time. So we're running a snake, which is a 3/8 cable. I ran it 3 times out to the main, which is a 4-inch main. I also snaked it upwards 2 times towards the kitchen sink so we could fully clean the line. We're snaking it on 3 times speed, so let's just wait till we finish snaking. So this line was more towards the easier size because sometimes these lines are in finished basements to where we don't have access to the pipe, and this line is fully clean. You see the water running on the bottom. So I'm just going to glue this clean out in because it was much easier to do it without the clean out. We're using OD glue. I'm going to put Mega Lock pipe dope onto the threads. It's fine without tape because this will seal it just fine. And after snaking, as we were running water, the 2-inch cast iron wide gave out on us, so we cut it out. That's how I plumbed for this trick. So after cutting it out, we use a hole saw, put it on our Milwaukee drill, and we just drilled this thing out. When I tell you this thing saves so much time rather than using drill bits or a chisel or heating it up, it saved us so much time and hassle. So after drilling, pulling, chiseling, we got it out. After getting out the rest of the cast iron, we're going to clean out the hub so we get a nice clean connection. That's my dad there cleaning out the hub. We're going to use a 2-inch donut, and we're going to use Mega Lock to lubricate it. Now we're going to hammer it in. We're going to install a new Y here so you get closer access, even though we have a clean out there. We're going to prime and glue with OD, primer and glue. We already had the no hub, so we're going to reuse it. We're going to use a Milwaukee drill 5/16 impact. We're just going to torque it down. And this is the finished product here. Job came out nice. You can see the stains coming from the leak, and this is the difference from snaking.